Hey guys, hope everything is going well. Alrighty, I wanted to look at Bitcoin and some technical analysis and also fundamental analysis. Now, I'm using the work of Stock Money Lizards, and this was reposted by on a by a gentleman on Twitter. Over here, you can see, and I don't follow this technical indicator, but this is an interesting chart nonetheless. And I like to look at all types of analysis, technical, fundamental, etc. And once again, if you're speculating in this asset class, I can't tell you what to do or what not to do. Just, don't be overextended in any particular asset class, you know. Just wanted to point that out there. Tom Brady is getting sued for promoting Bitcoin or promoting FTX and a few others as well. And a lot of people lost their life savings. So what I tell people is, hey, don't put your life savings into this. Be smart about it. I can't recommend. Maybe what I think I'm doing is close to maybe 1% of my net worth. So it's not that much money into it, right? It is an interesting topic because I like looking at various trends. I like looking at price action, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So you see this, I think it's called Chaikin money flow. It basically shows when money is coming into the sector. This is from a couple of days ago. Just as a FYI, you see the CMF bottom here where the money flow was coming in, and then look, it peaked at this level. It was like at a negative level, the way that they determine this technical pattern. And you're seeing a similar pattern where it's negative or it's turned slightly, I think it's slightly positive now, this CMF bottom, right? And what do we see here in 2019, right? The market just skyrocketed, right? Now, I'm not saying we're in the same condition because look, that was a pandemic and then people were speculating like crazy with monopoly money, right? This is just one technical indicator. I wanted to look at more of a fundamental analysis. So you saw like 2019, right? Go back to it. When did Bitcoin bottom? Like close to 2019, right? And I was in sports cards then too. So I noticed this, right? The 5-year tips, the most important chart in my opinion, right? You saw this go from positive and then you saw this become negative for quite some time. And where did you see like the blow off top or close, not the blow off top, but where did you see like a good bottom in the tips yield, right? And you could say the top in Bitcoin is like close to March, right? Where it just went up, basic, not in a straight line, but the pattern was, hey, Fed's raising rates, the other long-term dated rates are going up. Okay. And you look at Bitcoin, same pattern, right? March to all the way down there. So I'm just looking at it like, hey, this is very interesting. 5-year tips now, it's not a correlated a day by day, but just from a trend perspective, I believe it is. This is more of a, to show you, hey, look, the 5-year tips is over here, negative 1.6. Where is it today? 1.48. And there was obviously more volatility in the sector, in the Bitcoin sector with FTX going under. So it's quite interesting where, you see these yields that no one looks at. And I believe they're very important for alternative assets. And once again, if you're speculating in crypto, don't put too much in the space, right? Yeah, some people have become millionaires, right? But a lot of people are not the millionaires, right? So it's great to see millionaires out there who have made money in the crypto space, and I congratulate them. But hey, be wary of, this get rich scheme, because not many people can do it, right? And if they do get rich, they end up blowing it up. Okay. Because they double down, double down. So that's very important to note. Okay, guys. So I wanted to just touch base on this and how, you know, I believe with multiple factors that we should see a sizable run up in crypto, in Bitcoin. And I'm not a Bitcoin, enthusiast. I'm just looking at price action. Some people that knew me, when crypto was coming out, I wasn't the biggest fan. Now I understand what is a driver for this. And you have to look at, in my opinion, the most important chart, 5-year tips, or most important charts to me, 5-year tips, 10-year tips, and understanding how these yields will play an impact in the collectible space, in precious metals, in crypto. The list goes on and on and on, guys. So wanted to leave my thoughts. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you later. And we'll be doing more videos this week. Thanks, guys. Bye.